welcome to Private Aesthetics. My name's Jane Bradley. I'm the founder and medical director, and I'm really pleased that you can join us for this short tour. I'm a registered nurse, a nurse independent prescriber, and I've got 37 years registered nurse experience. So at Private Aesthetics we offer a whole range of aesthetic, non-invasive treatments to make you be the best version of you that you can be. We specialise in skin integrity, so that is the clarity and the volume of your skin, and we also do facial enhancements. So that can be anything for a very small, what we would call a tweakment, to a further more full voluminous augmentation. Your journey will start with a brief telephone consultation to make sure that what you're expecting from the clinic we can deliver. We will then greet you on the driveway through to our secluded clinic where it is a one-to-one consultation. We always ensure that there's no client pass by, and with that I mean you will never see another client. We secure enough time and allocate enough time for a thorough holistic consultation where we'll discuss all your facial needs, your expectations, and I will also confirm aesthetically what we can deliver, so we're both very aware of the outcome and the expectations. You'll be aware that our logo is proven, not promised, and that's our clients who've actually told us that. The client age range at Private Aesthetics currently is 18 years to 87 years of age. Our treatments are both suitable for male and female clients. We specialise in lip augmentation, microneedling, chemical exfoliation, anti-wrinkle treatment with toxins. We've got a wide variety of dermal fillers for chin augmentation. We do a 5-point facelift, which is non-invasive. So our skin range here at Private Aesthetics, we use Teddy Cytoceuticals. These are a range of products that can't be bought in a shop. It must be prescribed by a doctor or a nurse-led clinic, and that is due to their strength and how they work as part of a triple lock system. These products are suitable for home use, pre and post-treatment chemical exfoliation. So thank you to my lovely clients that have already forwarded some questions in readiness for this video. If you've got any further questions, please do email them and we'll answer them straight away. But I'm going to go through some of the more popular questions that we get asked quite regularly at Private Aesthetics. The most popular treatment currently at Private Aesthetics, I would say, is lip augmentation, or commonly known as lip filler or lip enhancement. And this is where we inject a hyaluronic acid, which is a sugar-based gel, into the lips, and that gives them more fullness, more shape, more definition, and that just helps with facial balance. I think another change more recently that's made the treatment really popular in Private Aesthetics is chemical exfoliation. You might have heard this being called chemical peels or acid peels, and what the benefit of a chemical exfoliation is, it's the clarity of your skin, so that kind of bounce back, that glow that a chemical exfoliation can bring, that's really become popular. And I'm attributing that to, since I think we've all been locked down at home with this current pandemic, I think ladies have tended not to wear as much makeup, and there's more of a focus of kind of natural looking skin. And I think with a good chemical exfoliation, the results are that good that the clients have decided maybe not to wear as much makeup and just have that fresh, natural look. So another common question our clients ask at Private Aesthetics is how often do they need a treatment? So a general rule of thumb with the toxin, so an anti-wrinkle injection, that's about 3 to 4 months. With a filler, so that's about 6 to 9 months, and sometimes longer. and the chemical exfoliation or the acid peel about every 8 weeks. I mean, every case is a little bit different, but that is a general rule of thumb about the timelines when they should be repeated. So another popular question that clients call with when we have our telephone consultation is if they've had sensitive skin, they're a little bit anxious about what treatments they can actually have. And really that's my job. With a thorough medical history, when we have our discussion and a thorough assessment, we'll determine what treatments are appropriate. But please be assured you would not be put forward or be accepted for a treatment if there were any concerns. And we've got a treatment for every skin type here at Private Aesthetics. I know all you guys are busy, and when we do make our appointments, you're keen to know how long they're going to take. So roughly an anti-wrinkle treatment or a toxin treatment, 30-40 minutes, a chemical exfoliation, 45 minutes, any type of filler, whether that be cheek augmentation, lip augmentation, I would allocate about an hour. But the majority of these treatments are lunchtime treatments. So you clients that nip here in your lunch break and nip back to work, good on you, because no one knows you've been. Absolutely understand that you guys are interested in when can you see the results. So with a anti-wrinkle injection, the toxin, that kicks in about 2 weeks, and that's when I'll review you again and we'll just make sure that all your symmetry is perfect and that you're absolutely happy. With the hyaluronic acid or a filler, it's instant. As soon as we finish the treatment, when you look in the mirror, that's when you will get the wow factor. And that's the same with your chemical exfoliation. Literally, once we finish that treatment, you will feel, I describe it as though when you've had your ponytail in too tight, you'll feel that tightness and that lift, and the clarity is obvious. And with the chemical exfoliation, it's the next day and the days after that when it just gets better and better. One question is clients ask is, can they have an allergic reaction? And I absolutely understand that. Part of not having an allergic reaction is a thorough assessment, your medical history, your drug history, and then we'll find out what treatments are appropriate. The products that we use at Private Aesthetics with regard to our filler range are all high-end, as are all our chemical exfoliations, are all research-based and tested to make sure we do give you the right product to get the right results. I think it's important to stay as an independent prescriber. If we do need some type of antihistamine type treatment or a prophylactic, we are qualified at Private Aesthetics to prescribe that. But to be honest, we've never needed to.